Hello everyone, we're back with another unique project to inspire your creativity. This smart drilling machine makes accurate holes exactly where you need them. Let's see it in action. Now let's test it on a thick wooden block. As you can see, the machine drills through it smoothly with very little effort. Even using a small drill bit, it creates a clean hole from one side and exits perfectly on the other, showing excellent precision and stability. Let's begin assembling the machine. Next, we position the perforated mounting plate onto the pre-installed CNC supports. Then we secure it with two nuts. First, we take the CNC machined parts and mount the main mechanical components, and tighten them using the matching wrench. Once both nuts are firmly locked, the frame becomes solid and ready for the next assembly step. We install the 555 DC motor that powers the entire machine. Then we attach the motor mounting plate and secure the motor firmly with screws using a screwdriver, ensuring a strong and stable fit. Now it's time to secure the motor. We take two screws and matching nuts to fasten the motor onto the mounting plate. The slotted holes allow easy height adjustment. After inserting both screws, we thread the nuts into place. After installing both nuts, we make sure everything is aligned. Then, using a wrench, we tighten each nut securely until there are no loose points. Now the assembly is strong, stable, and ready for the next step. Now we mount the machine onto a wooden block. Once it's properly positioned, we secure it firmly to create a stable base for accurate and reliable drilling. Now we install the on-off switch, connect both the motor and battery wires, then securely mount the switch onto the wooden base. Everything is set to test the machine, so let's turn it on. Now it's time for the main part, the drill bit. We have several bit sizes, and we'll choose one to fit. Secure it in position with precision and care. Using an Allen key, we tighten it securely into place. Every project reflects our experience and passion. Comments like submits keep us motivated and inspire us to create even better builds. Keep sharing your ideas in the comments. Now I'm using another wooden piece with a thinner thickness, making it much easier to work with. Let's drill a clean hole through it. As you can see, the hole is made smoothly and accurately. The thicker wood is already drilled. Now let's drill this wooden block. It works fast, cuts cleanly, and creates a precise hole with ease. Next, I'm using a plastic bottle cap. Rotate the top wheel, adjust the height, and carefully drill at the exact point. I carefully drill two small holes close to each other. The process is quick and clean, and as you can see, both holes are perfectly aligned and ready for the next step of the build. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share, or comment. See you in the next project. Goodbye, everyone.